I bet you didn't know that managing blood pressure can be as easy as tweaking your daily habits. Let's dive in. First, let's talk salt. Too much sodium can wreak havoc on your blood pressure. Swap out salty snacks and read food labels for low-sodium options. Your heart will thank you. Next up, get moving. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week. Think brisk walks, dancing, or even cycling, whatever gets you off the couch. Your diet matters too. Embrace the DASH diet. Fruits, veggies, whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods can work wonders for your blood pressure. Feeling stressed? Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing or yoga. And don't forget to catch those Z's. Quality sleep helps manage stress. Finally, limit alcohol and quit smoking. Both can spike your blood pressure. Moderation is key. By making these small, consistent changes, you'll keep your blood pressure in check naturally. Stay healthy and take control of your life.